Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a little bit of a different video format than I normally do, but there was a ton of automotive news this week, and some of it really stuck out, so I thought I would make a video showcasing some of that stuff. And we start with this, a Dodge Challenger Hellcat outfitted for the police by a company in Utah called Armor Max. Of course, that has the supercharged Hemi V8 that makes 707 horsepower, and this one has all-wheel drive, so you can hide, but you can no longer run with this thing, I guess. When can I get me one of those? That is gorgeous. But that would really change the outcome of a lot of police chases, like, oh shoot, not that one.
Again, it's a very slow pursuit, followed by numerous what's going on.
That one, I'm so sorry. I really didn't mean to put that one in there. Whew. I meant that one where that guy stole the Hellcat and was on the highway doing like 160 miles an hour.
Here. This is just outside the Beltway on I-10. We're heading eastbound now.
Accident happened, as Art mentioned. But tell us where you are now.
For minutes at a time, it was awesome to watch, but that was really bad. Nothing could catch up to him. They had to keep setting up roadblocks and such. And finally, they threw the guy off the road. Also, this one I really like. The all-new mid-engine C8 Corvette was seen testing around the Nurburgring in full camouflage. I've seen concept pictures and stuff myself, and I never believed any of it. I never thought any of the renderings looked very good, but this one, that is sexy. And you can tell it's, a GM engine. You can hear it running around the track. Here it is. I think that looks cool. A mid-engine Corvette was coming, but supposedly it's going to run alongside the C7 ZR1, or if they're going to release a Generation 8 ZR1. It'll be cool to have the option of front engine or rear engine. I'd like to see the performance figures on something like that. It looks like it's hauling. And this, Nissan has confirmed that there is a Nissan 370Z replacement in the works. To me, this looks like a Maxima that's been drawn by a blind child. But it could supposedly pack a 475 horsepower V6 with all-wheel drive, so that would be quite the combination, just not in a very good-looking body by any means. Oof. No, I see no remnants of a Z left in that car at all. I don't like that. I wish they would keep some of the, the style of the Z series, but to each their own. Oh, and this, the all-new Porsche 911 was seen testing around the Nurburgring in little camouflage. And no wonder why they didn't put any camouflage. It looks the same, as it always has. Looks the absolute same as last year's model, so why would they need to camouflage it at all? That is in its, reddish-orange color, running around the Nurburgring. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little burst of information. I thought some of it was really interesting, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So be sure to browse the channel and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video.